Good morning, students. Very good morning. Today we shall discuss some more problems in linear equations in one variable. Next concept क्या है? Reducing equation to simpler form. Very simplest form. What? Reducing means कम करना. ये क्या है? Rational type. Yes or no? This is rational type. Reducing equation to simpler form. You can do it simpler form. Yes. How can we solve this question? Yes. Here, first of all, you can observe here denominators क्या क्या है. इधर डिनोमिनेटर क्या है 3, इधर डिनोमिनेटर क्या है 6. So you can take LCM of 3 and 6. 3 का 6 का LCM क्या है 3. So 1 2 so LCM of 3 comma 6 is equal to 3 into 1 into 2. 3 into 1 into 2 6. So you can do it like that. Multiply here given equation क्या है 6x plus 1 by 3. Yes, plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 by 6. Multiply both sides by 6. Multiply both sides by 6. Very good. Now here first part this is है ना, so 6 बड़ा ब्रैकेट यूज करो 6 in bracket 6x plus 1 by 3 inner small bracket plus 1. You can use बड़ा brackets is equal to 6 in bracket x minus 3 by 6. Or understand or not? Yes, very good. Simply multiply both sides by 6. Okay, 6 into LHS. 6 in bracket LHS पूरा लिखना पड़ेगा. Okay, 6 into RHS. Now here multiply 1 by 1. First 6 into this 6 in bracket 6x plus 1 आराम से करना पड़ेगा 6x plus 1 by 3. 6 into first one 6 into second one 6 into 1 bracket is equal to 6 cancel. Yes or no? X minus 3. Or understand or not? Yes, very good. Here 3 ones are 3 twos are. Now here next step. Now here 2 in bracket of this. Yes or no? So 2 into first one 2 into 6x 12x. Yes or no? 2 into 6x 12x plus 2 into 1 2. 2 multiply with two numbers first one and second one 2 into 6x plus 2 into 1 2 plus हो गया plus 6 into 1 6 is equal to x minus 3. देख लीजिए this is बड़ा इक्वेशन है. what we have doing here now reducing किया simplest form आ गया 12x plus 8 is equal to x minus 3. this is simplest form. Okay, now here 12x minus x is equal to minus 3 minus 8. 12x minus x 11x is equal to minus 11. X is equal to minus 11 by 11. So x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 is the answer. Are you understand or not? Yes. Next. नेक्स्ट क्या है एग्जाम्पल 17 क्या है सॉल्व 5x minus 2 in bracket 2x minus 7 is equal to 2 in bracket 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 2. Okay. Here denominator में कुछ नहीं here कुछ नहीं here only 2. So only 2 का LCM 2 है ना. ठीक है. multiply both sides by, okay, this is question. Now here given multiply both sides by 2, आराम से करना पड़ेगा. 2 इन ब्रैकेट LHS. LHS क्या है देख लीजिए, पूरा 5x माइनस 2 इन ब्रैकेट 2x माइनस 7. इनर एक ब्रैकेट है, देख लीजिए. 2 इन ब्रैकेट RHS, 2 इन ब्रैकेट LHS इज इक्वल्स 2 इन ब्रैकेट RHS. RHS क्या है, 2 इन ब्रैकेट 3x माइनस 1 प्लस 7/2. नाउ व्हाट, multiply 1 by 1, 2 into 5x, 2 in bracket 5x minus 2 into 2 4, yes or no, 2 into 2 4, 2x minus 7 is equals to 2 into 2 4 to bracket 3x minus 1 plus 2 into 7/2. Are understand or not? Yes, very good. 2 cancel, numerator denominator cancel. 2 into 5x 10x minus first into this one 4 into 2x 8x minus of minus plus 4 7s are 28, yes or no. 4 into 3x 12x minus 4 plus 7. simplest form आ गया, देख लो ये 10x minus 8x 2x plus 28 is equals to 12x 7 minus 4 plus 3. now here what, 2x, yes, minus 12x is equals to 3 minus 28 उधर शिफ्ट करो. 2x minus 12x 10x is equals to क्या है, 3 minus 28 minus 25. so what is your answer is x is equals to minus 25 by minus 10. minus minus get cancelled, 5 2s are 5 5s are. so your answer is 5/2. Are understand or not? Yes. next क्या है, एग्जाम्पल सॉरी एक्सरसाइज 2.5 का, एक्सरसाइज 2.5 में सॉल्व फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सॉल्व x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. ओके, गिवन क्या है, गिवन x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. here denominators क्या क्या देख लीजिए, 2 5 3 4, 2 5 3 4, yes or no. LCM क्या है, 2 5 3 4 का LCM देख लीजिए. LCM 2 1 जा 5 5 है, ठीक है, 2 2 जा. अभी और एक 2 1 5 3 1, yes or no. LCM क्या है, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 1 4, 4 into 5 4 into 5 20, 20 into 3 60. so your LCM क्या है, 60. are understand or not? multiply both sides by by 60. understand or not? now here 60 in bracket x by 2 minus 1 by 5, 60 in bracket LHS, 60 in bracket x by 3 plus 1 by 4. so 60 in bracket x by 2 minus 60 in bracket 1 by 5, okay, 60 in bracket x by 3 मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा ना, 60 in bracket 1 by 4. so 2 1s are 2 30s are, here 5 1s are 5 12s are, yes, 3 1s are 12 5 16 3 1s are 3 20s are, yes, 4 1s are 4 15s are. so your answer simplest form 30x minus 12 is equals to 20x plus 15. or understand here 30x minus 20x, 30x minus 20x is equals to 15 plus 12, yes or no. 10x is equals to 27. so x is equals to क्या है, 27/10. और understand or not? yes. next question देख लीजिए. 2 solve n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equals to 21. Yes or no? n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equals to 21. 2 4 6 का एलसीएम क्या है देख लीजिए. 2 4 6 2 से डिवाइड करें. ठीक है. 2 1 जा 2 2 जा 2 3 जा. यस. आउट नो मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज देयर. सो एलसीएम क्या है. एलसीएम क्या है. 2 2 जा 4 4 3 जा 12. यस सर नो. 7th क्लास में एलसीएम आ गए ना. लसावी. यस सर नो. हियर गिवन multiply both sides by very good 12. okay, so 12 in bracket LHS 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equals to 12 in bracket 21. okay, now here 12 into n by 2 minus 12 into 3n by 4 plus 12 into 5n by 6 is equals to 21 into 12 21 12 2 1 are 2 कितना आ जाएगा. 2 1 are 2 2 2 are 4 plus 1 5 252. yes or no. right. 252 right. yes. 2 1 are 2 so 6n minus 4 1 are 4 3 3 3 are 9n. yes or no. plus 6 1 are 6 2 are so 10n here. yes or no. is equals to 252. so 10n minus 9n 1n plus 6n 7n 7n is equals to 252. so n is equals to 252 by 7. so 7 3s are 7 7 3s are 21 और क्या है 42. 7 6 42. so n वैल्यू क्या है 36. आर अंडरस्टैंड. yes very good. next नेक्स्ट क्या है. वेरी सिंपल. 6th वन m minus 1 by 2 m minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. here LCM क्या है बताइए फर्स्ट. here LCM क्या है. डिनोमिनेटर क्या है 2 and 3. 2 and 3 की LCM क्या है 6. yes or no. so multiply both sides by 6. so 6 in bracket LHS m minus 1 by 2 6 in bracket 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. okay, 6 into m 6m minus 6 in bracket m minus 1 by 2 6 into 1 6 minus 6 in bracket m minus 2 by 3. understand. 6m minus 2 1s are 2 3s are so 3 in bracket m minus 1 6 minus 3 1s are 3 2s are so 2 in bracket m minus 2. okay, 6m minus 3m. okay, minus of minus plus 3 6 minus 2m plus 4. so here 6m minus 3m plus 3 is equals to minus 2m plus 10. simplest form आ गई देख लीजिए. 3m plus 2m is equals to 10 minus 3 so 5m is equals to 7. so m is equals to 7 by 5. Are understand. okay, next question 10th one. okay, solve 0.25 in bracket 4f 0.25 in bracket 4f minus 3 is equals to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. 10f minus 9. okay, very simple this is. don't worry. 0.25 का मतलब क्या है. yes very good. 0.25 into 100 by 100 लिखिए. क्यों 2 डेसिमल से ना. yes 100 into 0.25 क्या है 25 by 100. 25 by this is क्या है 0.25 into 100 means 25 है ना by 100. So how can you write this 0.25 into 0.25? 25 by 100. 4f minus 3. Are understand or not? Okay, answer. 0.05 का मतलब क्या है? 0.05. 0.05 मतलब क्या है? Into 100 by 100. So 0.25 into 100 means क्या है? 5 by 100. So 5 by 100. 10f minus 9. Here denominators क्या है? 100 100. So multiply both sides by 100. So 100 100 cancel. ठीक है? बस LHS by 100. LHS side 100, RHS side 100. So 100 100 cancel. 25 in bracket 4f minus 3 is equal to 5 into 10f minus 9. So 25 4s are 100, f minus 75, 25 3s are here 50f minus 45. So here laga 100f minus 50f is equal to 75 minus 45. So 50f is equal to क्या है? 30. So f is equal to क्या है? 30 by 50. So 0 0 cancel. So your answer is 3 by 5. Are understand or not? Yes. 3 by 5 means 0.6. 0.6. 3 by 5 or 0.6. You can write any answer, no problem. Okay.